Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. King Arthur is known as one of the most popular legends of all time. There are a number of stories and pieces of literature written about King Arthur's reign. The most popular and historical story about King Arthur's death is a prose piece written by Thomas Malory entitled Le Morte D'Arthur, that is, Death of Arthur, first published in 1485. William Caxton, the first English printer, gave this name to Malory's volume, which Caxton described more accurately in his preface as the noble histories of King Arthur and of certain of his knights. Arthur was born to King Uther and a woman named Igraine. His mother was married to another man. Arthur grew up with his foster father Sir Ector in secret. A magician named Merlin suggested it would be better if no one knew Arthur was the son of the king. Arthur served as squire for his foster brother and eventually became king because he pulled a sword from a stone. While he was king, Arthur was successful in defeating many enemies. King Arthur then decided to help others who needed assistance along with his knights of the Round Table. Merlin, a wise magician, helped Arthur in battles throughout Arthur's life. One of Arthur's best knights, Lancelot, fell in love with King Arthur's wife Guinevere. Lancelot tried to resist his feelings for the queen by going on several quests to find the Holy Grail. Lancelot was unable to resist his desire for Guinevere and continued his affair with her. This eventually led to the downfall of Arthur's kingdom. King Arthur wanted to punish his wife and his knight for their affair and planned to burn his wife at the stake. Lancelot saved Guinevere from her death. One of Arthur's knights, his son Mordred, wanted to become king and encouraged King Arthur to battle Lancelot. Mordred convinced everyone that King Arthur died in battle, and Mordred overtook the throne. When King Arthur discovered his son's betrayal, he went home to reclaim his throne. While in battle with his son Mordred, King Arthur died and Mordred was also fatally wounded. After his death, King Arthur's body was sent on a boat down the Isle of Avalon, never to be seen again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part.